Baby Lexie, do you have a riddle for us today? Yeah, I have a riddle. What has no feet but runs all around the farm? Hi, Elmo.
Oh, hello, friends of fun. Elmo was just humming one of his favorite songs. Old McDonald had a farm.
That's a great song, Elmo. Do you know all the animal sounds?
Oh, yes. Elmo is very good at animal sounds. Listen. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a...
No. Elmo, elephants don't live on farms.
Oh yeah, that's right. It was a great animal noise though, wasn't it?
Definitely, Elmo. Maybe we can work on learning farm animal sounds while we try to solve Lexie's riddle.
Good idea, Riddle and Lexie's mommy. How should we start?
Excuse me, could you help me?
Wait a minute, is that
Old McDonald? Hello, Mr. McDonald. How can Elmo help?
Well, I was on my way to enter my prized radishes and turnips into the vegetable contest at the county fair, and I noticed my farm was really quiet. Turns out all my animals have gone missing.
All of them?
All of them. I'm trying to round them up, but I don't know where to start.
Well, Mr. McDonald noticed his animals were missing because they were quiet. Maybe if we listen carefully, we can hear them and follow the sounds.
Great idea, Elmo. Okay, friends of fun, listen carefully and see what we can hear.
Where is that noise coming from?
I think it's from one of those campers, Elmo.
Oh yeah, the yellow one. Let's open it up. There it is. You silly sheep. Old McDonald is looking for you.
Oh, thank you, friends of fun. It's so good to have my sheep back. Oh, and I think I hear another of my farm animals.
Elmo, I think it's coming from that dino patroller over there.
The blue one?
Yeah, the blue one, Elmo. What do you think we'll find in there?
Elmo thinks turkeys say gobble.
Good job, Elmo. It is a turkey.
Tom the turkey, I am so excited to see you.
Oh, Elmo knows that sound. Neigh, neigh is the sound a horse makes.
Good job, Elmo. And where is it coming from?
The pink camper.
Hooray! We found Old McDonald's horse.
Mr. Ed, you're safe and sound.
Oh, this is rich. Old McDonald has a horse named Mr. Ed on his farm.
A horse is a horse, of course, of course.
Oh, and an animal who moos is in the castle. Elmo thinks this must be a cow.
Let's open the door and find out.
Oh, Bessie, get your udders back here in the cart. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Elmo, did you hear that?
Elmo heard it, but Elmo doesn't know what animal makes that sound.
Do you know what animal makes that sound, friends of fun? That's right, a chicken. And I think it's coming from the green camper. Oh, Chickaletta, I've missed you so much.
Chickaletta?
What? I like watching Paw Patrol. I named my chicken after Mayor Goodway's chicken.
And Elmo hears a duck sound from that purple camper.
Daisy! You and your ducklings are safe. Elmo, friends of fun, you found all of my farm animals. I can't thank you enough.
You're welcome, Old McDonald. But you really should think about buying a fence for your farm.
Oh, Elmo, did you say fence? That's it. That's the answer to Lexie's riddle. What has no feet but runs all around the farm? A fence. I'm so happy you were able to solve your riddle. And I'm so relieved you found all of my farm animals. Elmo, I'd like to give you a surprise toy as a reward.
Oh, you don't have to do that, Old McDonald.
I insist. You were such a big help finding my farm animals, and now I can go to the county fair and enter my radishes and turnips. Oh, cool. It's a Muppets Lego minifigure.
Elmo wants to open it right away, Riddle and Lexie's mommy.
Okay, Elmo, let's open it right up. Who did we get? It's Dr. Bunsen. Here he is, Dr. Bunsen. He comes with a little Erlenmeyer flask. I love chemistry, so I'm super excited that we got Dr. Bunsen. I'm super excited that I'm here too, to witness this momentous occasion of solving Lexie's riddle. Well, Dr. Bunsen, we always solve Lexie's riddle, but we're happy to see you too. Friends of fun, if you had a good time today helping Elmo to find all of Old McDonald's animals and learning animal sounds along the way, and solving Lexie's riddle, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button down on the bottom. And remember, the fun is out there. Go find it. Take care, guys.
That is Riddle. Fun is out there.